How to activate Simplii Financial Account. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this episode, I'll be showing you the ways to activate Simplii Financial Account. In that case, you have to go ahead and open up a browser, type in simpli.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. When you are on the official webpage, this is how it's gonna look like. So you have to go ahead and tap the sign on button from the top right hand side corner. As you do that, it's gonna take you to this page or a pop-up window appears, so go ahead and select register. When you click on the register, it's gonna take you to the registration page where you need to go through some certain steps in order to activate your Simplii Financial Account. So all you have to do is just in order to complete the step, you need to provide in all of the detail that has been asked. And here you can see, first thing, you have to go ahead and enter in your card number, your expiry date, and then your phone number or your security code. And after that, you need to go ahead and select the next button. As you do that, you have to move on to the step number 2, where you need to go ahead and verify your account. For that case, you need to provide in your contact details or enter in the PIN that will be sent to the registered phone number. And lastly, you have to go ahead and create your login field. So on the following page, you will also be able to see terms and conditions, and after you've done with that procedure or completed the procedure, then you have successfully activated your Simplii Financial Account. So that's how you can activate Simplii Financial Account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.